Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Week Wednesday, and I will be reviewing this cutie here. I don't even know the last time I reviewed this one. It's called After Midnight, and I have it in color number 2, which is a lighter off black than a 1B. It has more of a brown hinge or tinge to it. Okay, it's a Converti cap wig by Outre. So you can wear it as a half wig or a full wig. Or I thought I saw somebody wearing it as a ponytail. Yeah, ponytail. You can bring some forward. You can wear it as ponytail and bangs. Look at her. So, Converti cap wig. So, you can style it in a lot of ways. So, this is what she looks like. A lot of coils. Look at those coils. It's a fro, but it's these kind of corkscrew curls. Okay, I'm put on my wig grip. And I got my own hair just braided and tucked under. There's some of my own hair sticking out just a little. I want to show y'all how the wig is made. Here's the construction of the wig. It has a long comb at the top. See that comb? It has a very thin weft at the front. It has combs at each temple over here. It has a comb in the back with the tag, along with a drawstring. So you can make it into a ponytail, or you can adjust it to fit your head better. And this is how the wig cap looks. Okay, it's like a mesh, stretchy mesh. You can see the tracks sewn on through there. And it's lightweight. It might be hot in the summertime, but right now it's lightweight. Okay, I've had this for a little while. And I think I've reviewed it a couple times. So let's put it on. Pushing it back. Pull this down. It's big head friendly. Fit my big head. You can wear a headband with this. You can wear it further back. You can flip some over. I'm pushing it back some. You don't comb these kind of wigs. You just like finger comb them. And if they get to be frizzy and messy looking, get some of that mousse. I don't have none in here. Get some frizz control mousse or curly mousse. Now if you want it to be real big, you can take a afro pick and just lift through it a little. But this is as big as I like. Need some big hoops. So, I didn't bring no gel in here to do my edges. So this is After Midnight. Oh, here it is. By Outre. And color number 2 is Converti cap. Y'all see that? Okay. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. Oh, I didn't turn around so y'all can see it all around. Front. Left side. Turn around. Back. And turn around to the right side. Look just like the left side. It's bouncing and behaving here. Okay. Like I said, you can wear it with a headband if you want to. I just didn't bring none of that stuff in here. I don't have one in here. I gotta clean this mess off this table. I got stuff on this table. It shouldn't be up here. Trifling. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.